have this HP laptop here. It's actually a HP EliteBook running Intel Core i7 V Pro. But for some reason, whenever I try to update it for Windows 11, I actually get this message. It tells me that my Windows is actually up to date, and even though the PC can run Windows 11, I currently cannot get it from the manufacturer of the laptop. So today I'll be showing you guys how I intend to go about installing Windows 11 on this laptop. One of the things you would need if you're trying to do this, to install Windows 11 on any device, one of the things you would need is a bootable USB. So I have one over here. This is a 32GB USB. You could actually use anything 8 gig and above. I think 8 gig and above will do. So this is a 32 that I have here. So the next thing you would need to do is you would go to your browser. You could do it on the laptop that you intend to upgrade to Windows 11. https www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. So I'm here at the website, and the next thing you do is you just scroll down and you come here to create Windows 11 installation media, and you hit on the download. Okay, so once you have downloaded it, the next thing you do is you go to where you saved it. You go to the location where it's saved. In my case, it's actually saved in my download folder. Once you have it there, it's advisable you plug in your USB. Just plugged in my USB and double click to run it. It's asking if I am ready to run it. I select yes. Okay, so first of all, it brings up this page, and over here I click on accept. Alright, so it asks me to select the language. My language, I'm using English, and that's the edition Windows 11. Use recommended options for this PC. I'll leave that ticked, and I hit on the next. I select USB flash drive and I hit on next. So it can see the USB which I put in here. You could format the USB, or the thing you would need to understand is whatever USB you're using, it's gonna be formatted. So it does not matter whether the USB is formatted or not and what name it is. I just call this Windows 11. The installation is going to change the name to another name selected by the program. All right, so I hit on next. So once you hit on next, it will begin to download the installation file. So you'll have to give it some time for this to take place. It depends on the speed of your internet connection and possibly the speed of your device as well. So just prepare to give it some time to download. Okay, so once it's done downloading, it will begin to create the installation media. As I said, it actually takes a while. So if you want to be doing something else while it does this, you actually could. Once the installation is complete, it tells you that your USB drive is ready, and then you hit on the finish. So I'll go to my Explorer. Over here I click on the drive, and I come and I double click on setup. I click on yes to begin the installation. I want to help make the installation better, I can leave that unchecked and I hit on next. Alright, so it brings this up and I hit on accept. The installation checks for updates before it begins installing. So next it will give you a breakdown of what's going to be installed. It's going to be installing Windows 11 Pro and it's going to be keeping my personal files and apps. So if you desire to change, you could always click on this, change what to keep. If you click on that, you could decide to keep your personal files and apps. You could decide to keep personal files only, or you can decide to keep nothing. So in my case, this is actually like a pretty brand new computer. I don't really have a lot of stuff here. So I'm going to be selecting keep nothing and I hit on the next. I hit on OK to continue with the installation. Alright, it tells me that my installation is ready. I hit on install and over here it begins the installation. So just let it do its thing and I'll see you guys when this phase of the installation is finished. Okay, so the PC is restarting now. So you just give it a while to restart and after that the installation continues. Okay, so the installation just completed and once the installation is complete, it will bring you here to where you will be prompted to select your country or region. So we are almost there. This took me more than an hour from beginning to end to complete this update. It took me a little more than an hour to complete the upgrade. So it depends on the speed of your computer and I believe also the speed of your Wi-Fi connection. So if you're thinking of doing something of this nature, I would say just budget between an hour to an hour 30 minutes or 2 hours to give you adequate time to get the job done. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.